Hello everyone, welcome to Discord challenge number 1, and in today's video I'm going to be making a Discord server in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 hour. That's right, I will be timing myself on this one, so you will see a timer in the bottom right corner when the challenge begins, and I will only have that said time to actually create a fully fledged out Discord server, which of course will be impossible in the 1 minute, but we'll see how much we could actually pull off. Before we start, I want to quickly go over a couple rules for this challenge, and really all those rules is that I have to do everything from scratch. So I have to, the bot can't be already set up or anything like that. All the graphics that I create have to be completely from scratch, and I cannot use outside sources whatsoever. So other than that though, let us begin with the 1 minute challenge. Okay, so we have our timer set up, so let's just get the server ready. Create server, club and community. We will call this one the 1 minute challenge. Now it's only 60 seconds, so I don't really have much time to do anything. But if I could try and even get a couple roles created and a couple channels created, that would be good enough. We will begin in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Okay, so create the server. We have to go right in here, server settings, roles. Create role, let's create a couple roles here. Let's call this one staff. Let's call this one member. Let's call this one bots here. Let's change the color. Let's do this. Let's make it display separately. I don't really have much time. Let's just do that. Save changes. Okay, let's give myself that role. Staff member. Okay, let's create some categories here. We'll call this one staff. I have 30 seconds left. Create channel. Announcements. Let's create another channel. This will be memes. We'll do logs. Okay. Okay, we have the logs channels. Come on, understaffed, please. Create category. Announcements. Okay, and bring it up here. Bring it up. Okay, let's do this. Do this. Do this. Go up. Go up. Please. Go up. Please. Go up. Please go up. 3, 2, 1. Time. That's time. Okay. That's there's only so much I could do in 1 minute. Oh gosh. Well, guys, in 1 minute I created a couple roles and I created an announcements channel and a text channel, and that's about it. I didn't really set up too much. I didn't have enough time. Hopefully in the 10-minute one we will be able to get a little bit more done, because that was not enough time. Even 10 minutes is not a lot of time. But I tried to do it as quick as possible. We have a few channels here. We could have added more, of course. But let's move on to the 10-minute challenge to see what we could actually pull off. Okay, so we're going to start the 10-minute timer here. Let's just get the server set up. 10-minute challenge. Okay. And we will begin. And let me just think of what I'm going to do here. Okay, I want to make some channels. I want to do that. Try and add some. Okay. Okay. Let's try and do this. We have 10 minutes to create a semi-functional or barely functional server. So let's try this out. We will start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we will create the server. I don't have to be as panicky as last time, but let's still go really fast. So we'll call this one admin. We'll call this one moderator. Moderator, okay. We'll call this one member. We'll call this one giveaway pings, why not? We will call this one owner. Okay, now let's just organize these on the list. Let's separate them all from other users. Okay, okay, good enough. That's fine. Okay, let's just make these colors. It could be any color, it doesn't really matter. I don't think it matters what colors are which right now because we don't have a lot of time. I mean, we have 9 minutes, but that will go by very, very quickly. So we have the owner role here. Let's give myself the owner role and the admin role, just because. Why not? Okay, there we go. Let's create our categories here. So we're going to call this one staff for staff channels. We'll call this one fun. We will call this one info, and we will call this, well, actually, we'll actually rename this one to main channels. So, good enough. Okay, you know what? Let's actually add some dashes on here. Okay, let's do the same for the rest. Okay, now let's create a couple channels for these. So let's do announcements. I want to try and get a bot in here while we have time. So let's create an announcements channel. Let's create a memes That's not how you spell memes. Uh-oh. Okay. This is not good. Memes, okay. This is a pretty good start, possibly. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm insane. I'm probably insane, actually. Okay. Info, that's an info channel. Let's just create a channel called info. Why not? Okay, let's just start shoving these into these categories here. Okay. Put that there. Fun. Fun can go here. Info. Oh, I didn't. That's what I missed last time. I needed a bot commands channel. Let's add that right now. Create channel. Bot commands. Okay, let's just quickly set the permissions. Nope, don't duplicate that. Let's quickly set the permissions here. Can view the channel. Cannot send messages. Cannot embed links. Can read history. Okay, let's do the same for info. I could have probably copied the permissions over, but oh well. I'll just do this way. Let's actually quickly give permissions to the roles, or actually, we don't really need to give. Let's just give permissions to the admin. So let's just give the admin administrator. Let's give the moderator blah blah blah. Manage nicknames, ban kick. That's fine. Where's manage messages? Where's manage? Here we go. Let's give them that and mention. They can mention people. Okay, save, close. Okay, roles. We have channels. Okay, let's add some emojis quickly before we invite the bot. Let's do speakerphone speaker. That's not what I want. I need the announcer here. The announcer. There we go. Okay, let's info channel. Let's do the scroll. Nope, that's not scroll. That's typing in that. Scroll. There we go. Scroll. Okay. Speech bubble. There we go. 6 minutes. Okay, we have time. Let's do the book emoji here. Book emoji. Save. Okay, thank you. Memes. Laughing emoji. Sure. Save. Thank you. Bot commands. Let's add a robot. No, a robot. Okay. Save. Okay. That is a very basic channel thing, but that's fine. Let's just get a bot working. Okay, so we're on the Dino site. Let's just log in with Discord quickly, please. Hurry. Log in. Thank you. 10-minute challenge. Here we go. Continue. Authorize. Just. Okay. I am human. Yes. I am human now. Join the server, please. Thank you. Okay, you're in the server. Dino just landed. Okay, that's good. Prefix, I don't care. Updates channel. Logs, sure. No, I don't want premium right now. Okay, we gotta go. Okay, let's just turn on what we need. We need action log. We need. Oh gosh. We don't need these. And we don't need this. We don't need this. Auto delete. Okay, we have 4 minutes. 4 minutes left. Sure, we'll use this as our giveaway bot. Doesn't matter. Let's just get this working. Slow mode tags. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Let's set up the logs channel. Logs, modules. Where's the logs? Action log. Here we go. Logs channel. Here. Set it up. Okay, let's just turn these all on. So it'll log all these. That's good. Saved. Okay, now let's just give the bot permission. Permissions. Add. Dino. Let's just make sure this works. Let's just create a role and make sure this works. Let's create a role. Good. Okay. Logs channel works. Good. We got that set up. What else can we set up? Auto mod. Let's set up auto mod. Let's create a rule. Let's call this one spam. That's not how you spell spam. Spam. Okay. Thank you. Delete. Rule type. Duplicate text, I guess. No, not duplicate text. Not image spam. Where's message spam? Fast message spam. Here we go. 5 reset. That's good. Create rule. There. Spam rule. Good. That's set up. What else? Announcements. No. Auto roles here. Auto roles. Let's add the member role. No delay add role. Boom. Okay, that's set up. Okay. Giveaways is fine. Oh, let's make a giveaway channel. Let's make a giveaway channel in here. Whatever. Giveaways. Okay, let's edit this. Let's add ta-da. Okay. Save. Okay, permissions. Let's just type some text here. Welcome to the giveaway channel. Okay, we have 2.5 minutes. let's make a beginner announcement here. Welcome to the server. Hope you like what we have to offer. Okay. Thanks. Okay, it's that emoji. Good enough? Okay, there we go. There's that. Info. Info channel. Roles. At admin. At moderator. At what else did I do? Member. At bots. At bot. I didn't make a bots role. Okay, let's make a bots role. Give it to Dino here. Bots. Make it red because that's the first color I saw. Let's move that up. Save changes. Okay, let's give you the bot role. Good. That's good. Okay, let's create another voice channel. We'll call this one Gaming Voice. Good. That's not a voice channel. That is not a voice channel. That is not a voice channel. Okay, let's delete that. Voice, gaming, voice. That's good enough. Okay, we have that. Anything else we could do with the bot? We don't need reminders. And welcome channel. Can we set up a welcome channel in 1 minute? Can we set up a welcome channel in 1 minute? Why do I keep repeating words to myself? I don't know. Okay, we have a welcome channel created. Let's reload the site. Reload, please. Thank you. This is this, right? Yes. Select. Welcome. Good. Join. Leave messages. Good. That's fine. That works. Let's go. Okay, we have welcome channel setup. Okay, let's add a wave emoji. 47 seconds. Okay, please. Wave. That's a wave. That's a wave. Thank you. Let's add a topic because we can. I don't have a logo on hand because I don't have time to create one. Inactive channel. Let's create a... oh, gosh. Let's create an AFK voice. Okay, let's add that here. AFK, 5 minutes, save. Good. Integrations. Let's create a webhook. Create a webhook. We have rules. Webhook. Rules, 13 seconds. Let's create a rules channel in 13 seconds, please. Rules, save. Nope, that's in here. 5 seconds. Let's go here. Let's add another. That's it. Okay, that's it. Oh, what? That was exhausting. Okay, well, we did something. We have a server. We have a server. Okay, so that was the 10-minute challenge, and we actually set up a. I mean, I think we have a functional server here because I did set up the permissions for these channels. So, like, if we viewed it as everyone, I think, yeah. So I set up the permissions for the info channels. Except for the rules one, because that was the one I did last second. Oh, I forgot to set it for welcome too. Oops. Yeah, and I set up the logs channel. That seems to be working. I also set up the welcome channel, which we can't really test right now, but I'm assuming that it works because I have it saved. It's saved here. Yeah, join and leave messages are on. So, yeah, so in theory, if you're fast enough, like I am, you could create actually, you could create a fully functional Discord server in 10 minutes. If you, for some reason, have to create a server and you only have 10 minutes to do it, you can do it. It is hard and it is a time crunch, but you can actually pull it off. So now we are at the part of the video that you guys have probably been waiting for, possibly been waiting for. I'm not sure. Maybe you just wanted to see the shorter, more sped up ones. But this is the hour-long challenge, so I have an hour to create a Discord server. And hopefully that's enough time for me to create some decent embeds and even some, like even a nice logo and all that, and probably some more channels and more roles. So let's see how this works out. So let's just set up the server here. Well, not set it up, but you know, 1 hour challenge. Okay. And we will begin. For the video's sake, of course, I will be cutting this down substantially, but I am doing this for an hour, so we will see what I can accomplish. So without further ado, let's get this started in 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, timer is on. Create the server. I could go a lot faster, but I'm going to take my time with this. Well, I'm not going to take my time, actually. I don't have any time. So we're going to try and... So first step, let's recreate what we already had. Because we had quite a bit already, but I don't want to focus on other things without having this stuff already created. So let's just create this stuff, staff, info, and we could also create more channels, like we create self roles and all that. This is going to be tough. There's a lot to create in my head, but the thing is, actually creating all that in the right amount of time is really tricky. Well, it's not tricky, but it takes longer than an hour, I would think. So let's try and make it take an hour. I was trying to get all my things that I had before. That's not that. Okay, let's create a rules channel. I can't go to any other outside sources to like copy and paste anything, so I kind of have to create the rules myself once again. But right now priority is actually creating everything, so we'll do whatever. We'll do a newspaper for this. I don't really know what to do. But let's just see what we can do. Let's create a giveaways channel. That is also not that. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Okay, good enough. Good enough. And let's create a self roles channel. You still have lots and lots of time, so we have plenty of time to do this. So let's create the roles now. Create some roles. We're gonna want to do everything. We're also gonna do like self roles and stuff. So we're gonna have owner. We're gonna have admin. Okay, now we're gonna want to create some leveling roles as well. So let's do level 1. We'll just do basic, so we'll only go up to level 25. Let's say level 5. Let's just do a skip. I'm just trying to make sure I have time, so we'll do just level 15 and level 25. Let's do some basic ones. So let's do platforms. Let's do desktop. Let's do mobile. Let's try and do one more self roles thing. So let's do, you know what, this is a little extra, but let's do colors. Let's do colors. So we'll do yellow. We'll just do some basic colors. So yellow, green, blue, and let's do orange. Okay, that's good. These could stay blank. That's okay. Leveling roles. Let's do gradients of this. Gradients of aqua. We're kind of just picking random colors here because there's not a criteria for this. Obviously, you could do whatever colors you want, but this is a challenge, so we're trying to get what we can done, and that's all that really matters. Display separately. We don't want any of the self roles to display separately because they're more just, you know, for display. So it's just more just on you. But we'll make everything else display separately, and also we have to make the color roles be above. We have to move them above color roles. We have to move them above here because we're gonna make it. Because then when the user actually does it, right, it'll show they have the member role, but the actual color of the role will be overridden. Permissions stay pretty much blank. Let's do the admin permissions. Moderator can manage messages, mention every post pictures, ban and, well, not ban. Let's just do kind of nicknames. That should be okay. I don't want to give them like every single helper. Let's give helper. Bots is just for show, so that doesn't really matter. Okay, so we have some roles set up here. They look fine, but a lot of these, like the leveling ones and the self roles, they need to be set up. So let's just give myself some of these roles here. I guess we'll just give myself all the main ones. So what do we want to do now? Let's start working on the bots. I think we'll do the graphics last, or when we're doing the embeds. So let's first start by actually inviting the bots. Okay, so we're back to Dino, so we're going to want to add Dino to this server. Who else will we want to add? We'll also want to add YegPDB. Okay, I'm also going to want to add Sapphire because I think Sapphire is a good bot for like setting up a lot of things at once. Especially like embeds, it's really good for embeds. So let's add that to continue, authorize. I mean, now that I think about it, I guess I could just use Sapphire instead of Dino. Because this one has logs, right? Does this one have logs? Logging. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I could use, yeah, I'm going to use Sapphire then as the main bot, because it'll be easier to use. And then for leveling, I'm going to use Arcane. And I think I'll actually use this for reaction roles instead of YegPDB. I think this will be easier, because I need to time myself properly here. So let's use this. Let's try and keep our bots to a minimum, because if we have too many bots, then it could definitely mess things up. Let's do Sapphire, let's do Arcane, of course, and let's also do Counterbot, and let's do Giveaway Bot. I think those will be our 4 main bots that will. Sapphire Bot here, let's just invite the rest of the bots first. The Giveaway Bot here, let's add this guy. It's only been 10 minutes, and we actually have quite a lot set up. In fact, I think I actually have more set up than my 10-minute challenge one already. Although, no, the 10-minute challenge one actually set up the bot, so yeah, no, so we have this. Now let's get counter. Let's get the counter bot. Counter bot is here. Get started. Let's add counter bot now. And now, okay, counter bot is here. Now let's just get, what was the last one we needed again? Arcane. We need Arcane bot. Let's log in. Okay. Authorize. Good, good, good. Verify. Good. Okay. Good. Let's give these guys the bots. Well, just while we're at it, let's just good. Okay. So now these guys should be good. Let's actually quickly drag their roles above. Yeah, so let's drag their roles above everyone else so they could actually manage changes. Good. Okay, so now let's disable everything else for Arcane because we only need him, or we only want this bot for the this. Okay, counter bot. That's in server. Same for giveaway bot. So we have to set those up in server. Okay. So let's while we're doing this, let's set up the counter bot. Channel's new here. Oh, do I make it here? Okay, I guess I have to. Okay, it created the. Okay, so let's delete this one then, because it created the counting channel for it. So I guess if I type, and then type again, okay, it gets deleted. Good. So the counting channel is set up. So that is complete, because I have to actually be actually have to be counting with someone else for it to actually register. So that's why the second one is. Oh, we also need a welcome channel. So let's create a channel for welcome. Now let's edit the permissions of these. Dude, there's so many things to do. Cannot send. I know once the timer goes below 30 minutes, it's gonna go really fast. So we have to get a lot of this stuff done so we can actually focus on the stuff that takes time. Did I not set up any permissions? I guess I didn't set up any permissions yet. Okay, I'm getting mixed up with the other challenges already. Okay. I could add more permissions for the staff, but I'm just going to leave it as just this, so then at least, you know, this is set up. I don't know which ones I haven't done now. 45 minutes to go. 45 minutes to go. I think that's all the permissions. Hopefully. I mean, maybe let's just add a. Okay. I think we could continue with the bots. So let's set up, I guess, the leveling. I think that should be fine if I set up the leveling next. Yeah, let's set up the leveling here. So let's configure. Where is it gonna display this? Oh, I didn't do a level up channel yet. So let's create a level up channel. That emoji doesn't look really. We'll just do the same as counting. We'll leave that. And we will reload this. The level announcements will be here. I'll just leave it default. That's totally fine. Looks good. Let's just add level 1. They will get the level 1 role. 5. They will get the level 5 role. Roles are set up. I'll leave stack rewards on. That's okay. And yeah, this should be good. Okay. Okay. So now let's set up. So let's go through this. What do I want? Let's go through. Yeah, we'll have auto moderation on. Okay, so we added this spam thing here. Let's just add like a bunch of these auto mod things. Too much caps. That's fine. Let's okay, that should be fine. Now in moderation, let's actually set up channel locking because this is actually a really good feature. So when you use lock all, it'll lock all these channels. So I'm just gonna do any of the public channels. So we'll do general, do bot commands. It's all over public channel. Okay, we don't need notifications. That's totally fine. Join roles? Yes, we want joining the server. Good, okay. Pass the screening, so we have that automatically joining. Before we do reaction roles, let's do the welcome messages. So let's set up join messages. Okay, the welcome channel's not here, so we have to actually Sapphire. Okay, there we go. Continue stylizing. Actually, wait, do we want to embed? I guess we might as well. So let's just do this. Welcome to... I'm just going to pretend the server is called 1 Hour Challenge because that's what it's called. So I'll just say, welcome to 1 Hour Challenge. Description. Enjoy your stay. I guess you could do whatever you'd like here. Very simple, but that'll work for now at least. That's a welcome message. Leave message. Just bye-bye. Thanks for stay. That'll work. Okay, so that's set up. And why not let's do a boost message as well. Just because, you know, we're here, we might as well set it up. By the way, I don't think these double asterisks are actually doing anything in this embed, but... Oh, no, it is. Okay. I didn't know if it was. Yeah, okay. We'll just do the support. Helps a lot. Okay, so now with... Okay, so now I think I could do the reaction roles. Let's set the reaction roles up. So let's add this. Create a new message. Set it to self roles. So I guess we're adding it now. So emojis. So we are. So what do we have here? We have 2 sets of self roles. So the first one is desktop mobile console. So let's do that. So let's do the desktop. What is happening? It's not searching. Oh, I have to actually press and desktop. Then we'll do a controller for console. I don't know why this thing is kind of buggy. Controller. Okay, now let's add the rules here. Oh, okay. Now we can actually edit. Let's save. No, I didn't want to do that. No. Darn it. Can I edit it? Okay, I can edit it. Okay, good. I didn't want to do that. Okay, okay. Let's actually create an embed now. Shoot. Now we have an embed. Okay, before we create an embed, we want to actually make like all the graphics for it. But let's just create the titles first. So let's say, let's add a nice emoji here. Let's add a nice emoji. We'll actually put another gaming emoji. Oh, so this is what it says. Okay, React corresponding. Now, can I? Okay, well, let's just leave it like this for now. Let's add this here. Are you on desktop, mobile, or console? Save that. Okay, it looks a little bit better. We don't have any like grand images yet, but this will work. So let's just make sure it works. So I clicked on desktop. Okay, good. So it gives a desktop role. Okay, so that is set up. So now we have to actually add the big. Okay, so let's just set up the other one though first while we are here. No, not welcome. No, that's not what I want. Self roles. So this is colors. So what colors do we have again? Red, yellow, green, blue, orange. I want to try like a red circle. Yellow. I don't know if there's an orange circle because that's pretty close to yellow. Okay, now let's just add the rolls. So let's do red. Let's do a nice heart. Let's do colored hearts. So that looks. Who's your color? Looking good. Okay, which color? Corresponding color emoji to be fine. Save that. Nice, nice and colorful. So let's just do red. Now it won't actually. Now, by the way, it won't actually change my color of my roll because, well, because you know, I'm not actually, because it's below the other rolls that are higher. So I'd have to make this higher than all my other rolls, but we'll just leave it like that for now. And we will actually work on the emojis. Not spaced out right. Okay. Okay, now let's create the actual thing. So let's go to Inkscape here. This is by the way what I use for a lot of vector designs. I also use this for most of my thumbnails as well. So I highly recommend Inkscape if you don't own Photoshop and you don't own any any paid graphic design programs. Inkscape is one of the best out there. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for over 6 years now, and it's basically like Corel Draw but free. So it is an amazing program if you haven't seen it already. So we're gonna use this. I guess I will create the logo. I think I'm actually gonna literally have this where it's gonna be like I think that'll look good. Like 1HC, and then I'll do like I don't know. I'll try and make it clean maybe. So let's start with a circle. Let's actually change the dimensions, make it a lot smaller. So let's try 150 by 150. I want to make it a square. So okay, that looks a lot better. So let's just create this in pretty much the size of this square here because that will be useful so let's do a nice let's do a nice thick outline here. Nice thick outline. We're going this. Let's set the fill. I think I'm gonna do like a nice blue. Like this is a really nice blue here, and we're gonna do some gradient here. So let's try and do like let's do like this one. I need this little outline. That's not too bad. I don't know if I like it though. Let's try the other one. Let's try inset. Drop shadow doesn't look that good actually. I think I'm gonna have to do in and out. I think that's the best one. So yeah, so let's add some text. We'll put this one 1HC. Ooh, that's really thick text. I don't know why it's so thick. What? Whoa, stroke of 41. Let's try that. Let's make it black. It's gonna be nice and clean, so let's just do this nice and clean. I mean, that's not too bad already, but we want to make it even cleaner. So let's do like a thin. Let's do like a. Maybe let's do like a. Oh, that's good. Yeah, just a very subtle outline. Let's change the font. Try some thicker fonts here. So we only have 26 minutes left, but that's should be enough time to get all these graphics done. So let's just. Okay, we do have to kind of hurry up though. That looks horrible. Okay, that one's not too bad. Let's just use this one because we don't have a lot of time. So let's just create this a little bigger. Let's add a dark outglow. There we go. So now it's like that. Let's add a gradient to the circle. That really, yeah, doing this pink gradient really complements that the outline on the text. So this looks really, I think that looks really good. You know what? I think I like that a lot. So let's try and export this thing. This thing looks pretty cool. Looks pretty good. Okay, I gotta make it a little smaller. That looks pretty good. Let's move it a little bit Okay, so let's try and upload that to the server. There we go. I finally got it uploaded. That took a bit. Ooh, that looks really clean. Okay, let's save that. That looks pretty cool. At least as it's gonna get. So let's upload it here. Well, actually, no, we have to create a new one. So, okay, so now we have this. So now we have the logo. So now let's. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Let's move this here. We're gonna make the width longer. That. Basically, type out the text again. So we're gonna make this. So what do we have for the self rules? Actually, we only have the self rules, and I guess the rules we'll have to make if we have time. We have 21 minutes, so let's do this one. So platform. So we'll just call this one platform. Do that. Let's make it a little bigger. I don't know why these are overlapped, so we're just gonna have to leave it like that because that's just the font doing that. So that's just how it is. So we'll leave it like that. I guess let's add a very light gradient to it, maybe. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Okay. So if we export this, let's export that. There we go. And if we edit this here, let's edit this. Post it in this server, for example. Oh, that's not the thumbnail. Oh, where's the main image? Where's the main image here? Oh, shoot, but it's below it. Oh, why is it below it? Can I paste the image here, maybe, if I copy it? Oh, wait, it's because... Oh, it's because the... Ah, shoot. It's because, yeah. I have to have two embeds. I forgot. Can I drag? I can't drag the embed above, can I? Okay, so this is going to have to be the embed here. So let's just do this quickly. We have 18 minutes, so... And I still have to make the other one. So let's do this. And I also still have to make the rule. Okay, so let's redo this. Let's just copy this in here. How do they add this? Okay, now we just delete this stuff. Does that look better? Hopefully that is on top now. So that's above that. Let's make this bigger now. And then let's do the color one. So let's go back here. Let's edit this. And we should be able to just type colors. Let's now paste it into the other one. So we're going to do the same thing, sadly. It's better. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Should be good in that stuff. I could have made these a little bit thinner, but I don't really have... Actually, I could. Here, wait, let's try this. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let's try and make this a little thinner. Just so it's a little bit cleaner. So let's change the height to 120. I can make it smaller than that. What about 100? Can I do 100? I think I can do 100. Let's move this up here. Okay, that looks a bit better. So let's replace those files. Place this, or yeah, let's re-upload this now into here. So let's upload. Yeah, it's better. Okay, that looks a bit better. Okay, that looks a lot better. 14 minutes left, so we need time to make the other rules channels and stuff. Image. Let's go back. Platform. Copy image. Okay, we have the Okay, we have those done. So now let's do the rules. Without thinking, let's just start working out. So let's do. Oh no, we're gonna do an embed. Messages. Okay, this is not really working well. So let's just let's just pause on that. We'll just make it custom, or we'll just make it like this because rules, server, spamming, no sending invite links / advertising. Okay. What else can we do? S6. I mean, follow Discord TOS, I guess. There's only so many rules here. We're just going to leave it at that for now. Some rules here, at least, that will work for now, I guess. Level up, welcome. These are already set up, so these are already working. At least from what I'm trying to think of what else we could set up here. We could do another embed, but we're really low on time. Community. Let's enable community. Let's do this. We're running out of time. Rules or info. This is a staff chat, so let's do logs. Okay. Okay. We are now a community server. Cool. That's awesome. Now let's go back. Let's edit this. Let's set up onboarding. We don't have a lot of time, so we're gonna have to do this quickly. Default channels. That. 5 has to be talkable. Shoot. Okay. Let's create another channel here. Let's just do this one as. We'll just do general 2. Time is really crunching up now. Okay, let's just do that. Just want to set up onboarding. I know I could do it. I know I could set up onboarding, right? Customization. What do you want in this community? Add an answer. Memes. Memes. Okay, let's add some more tasks here. Yeah. Post a meme. Let's do a count with sends a message. Okay, we have 7 minutes. We gotta go quickly. Okay, we don't have that. Resource pages, that, and announcements. those are resources. Yes. Review. Set up welcome sign. Yes, we need a welcome. Follow them. That's kind of weird to say that. No, it's not weird. Just enjoy what this amazing server has to offer, because it has so much to offer, right? Have a welcome message, at least 3 tasks. Oh, I have to have one more task. Oh, I see. It can't be too basic. Let's just say join our giveaways, even though that's kind of pointless if you don't have any giveaways running currently. There we go. Enable onboarding. Yes, onboarding is enabled. Good. Cool server, and I think you. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, can't really do anything that enable mod. Okay, I guess I have it on now. What do you still have to do? Emojis. Sure, that's an emoji now. We'll call it server cool emoji. Okay, so that looks good. Inactive at mentions. That's good. Show progress bar. Sure. Info channel. Info. I don't have time to create an embed. Info. Welcome to the info channel. About the server. This server was created October 2024. This server was created in an hour. This server is cool. These are definitely valid info points, right? Hey, the leveling thing works. That's good. Okay. Shoot. Yeah, I guess we could go back in here and add more moderation here. So let's just here, let's add a link. Add a group. New whitelist. Oh no, not whitelist link. All links except. Okay, so that's fine. So let's just remove that. Add condition. So this will stop the links, I guess. Same for invites. So good. Okay. Okay, we could take this rule connection off, I guess. Let's go back to the server here. I feel like we're missing a very crucial channel, and I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'm missing something very crucial, and I cannot think of what it is. We have onboarding. We have that. We have this. Okay, I don't know where the info channel went, but it just disappeared. Okay, we have 1 minute. Let's quickly try and set up the permissions for this. Okay, this looks good. Let's try and add some channel. Oh gosh, let's try and add some channel descriptions here. This is the general channel. Oh gosh, channel where everyone talks. That's not how you spell talks, but I'm saving it. Server rules. Edit. This is the server rules. Please follow them. Please follow them. Okay, good. And welcome. 10-15 seconds. Welcome to the server, everyone. Should be good. That's good. Oh, I didn't make it. No, where's the announcements channel? No! Oh no, I can't. Oh no, stupid onboarding. Oh, I need this. I need to. Oh, oh no. That is time. That is time. Oh, I was gonna edit the announcement thing, but why is this here? Okay, I got the channels back. It's because I added them as resources. But what I wanted to do was go in here and actually make it an announcement channel, because I forgot to do that. But I can't do that, sadly, because the timer is officially over. And this is what we got. So that was 1 hour of this challenge. That was 1 hour to create a Discord server. And I think we did pretty decent. Like, we have everything's functional. That's the first major thing, is everything is functional. And we have a lot more functional than in the 10-minute challenge. So let's just go over what we created in that 1 hour time span. So we created multiple general chats, we created a bot command channel, counting channel, and we also have the counter bot set up in the channel so it actually works and you can count with someone. We have the memes channel set up, we have the AFK channel set up as well as an AFK voice channel. We have the logs channel set up, and this is posting logs from Sapphire. We forgot to set up the logs channel. Are you kidding me? After all that time, we forgot to set up the logs channel. I got so distracted, and I forgot to do it. I was going to do it right at the start, and I forgot to do that. That sucks. Okay. Well, anyways, so as you can see, even I forget stuff. But yes, we forgot to set up the logs channel, which we could do by just quickly clicking this and doing it. But of course, I forgot to do that. I was too distracted. Okay, well, we didn't set up the logs channel, I guess. We have the channel created, but we forgot to add it in Sapphire on the dashboard. So technically it's not set up. So that sucks. Anyways, we have the self roles set up. We spent a decent amount of time creating these nice clean logos here and banners for these self roles here. We have the self roles here. They work completely fine. I could actually just give myself all these roles. The giveaway channel is set up. That's pretty much self-explanatory. The giveaway bot is in the server, so we can create giveaways. We have the announcement channel with the basic announcement. We have the rules channel with a basic rules list. The leveling channel is set up. As you can see, Arcane is set up and linked to it, and it will give you the corresponding leveling roles depending on what level you are. Welcome channel is set up. I know I did because I did that. That was one of the first things I did here. So that's good. And the info channel, very basic, but we do have a little bit of info here. We set up most of these here. We added one emoji. We set up the roles pretty well, so we have all the roles that you'd probably want. And overall, we have a really clean logo for the server. So I think that is a decent attempt. Of course, if I had the logs channel, I still cannot believe that I forgot about that. And I didn't forget about that. I was gonna do it and I just forgot when I was distracted doing all the other stuff. So if we pretended though that I did have the logs channel obviously set up with the bot and it was logging actively, then this would be a pretty much complete server. So in that case, that is the conclusion to my first Discord challenge that I've decided to take part in. And this was the results. If you'd like to see more of these challenges, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're wondering how to do any of these things that I've done in this video, because I'm probably going to be cutting around a few bits, at least for the hour version. So if there's anything that I'm setting up here that you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to use, or if you'd like an in-depth tutorial on any of these bots here, I actually have a video on every single one of these bots and much more, diving into them very, very deeply and going through all the different settings and how to set them up in your server. So please check out my playlists. They'll be on my channel. They're linked to my channel. And I have different playlists there for different Discord tutorials, and probably I'll have a tutorial for something that you're looking for. Other than that though, please subscribe. We're going for 1,000 subscribers now, so that would be very cool if we can get that eventually. As well as please join my Discord server. It is in the description below. We're trying to get to 500 members in it, and we're trying to grow it because once we get to another milestone, I will be hosting more Nitro giveaways in the future, and that'll be very cool. Another thing though is channel memberships. I do have this. If you'd like to support me further, please consider joining my channel subscription service. It is on the join button below beside my channel name. So if you do want to support me in any further way, anything helps, and that would be cool, and you'll get a few extra perks as well. In that case though, that is a wrap to the 1 minute, 10 minute, and 1 hour Discord server challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video, and tell me if you enjoy these longer type of videos because this took a while to edit. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one, and maybe we'll do better in the next challenge. Bye bye.